All right, tell me when. Hello, my name is Rob Sheftel, and I am the Director of the Academic Center for Excellence at CT State's Naugatuck Valley campus. I also have the privilege of advising our NASA Quadcopter team. When we first began, our team had just 4 students. Today, that number has grown to nearly 20 dedicated participants. While only 5 students make up our official lead team, our assistant engineers play a crucial role in research, design, and development, making this a true team effort. Our students gain hands-on experience in CAD design, 3D printing, assembly, electrical work, soldering, research, and coding. Beyond technical skills, they develop critical problem-solving abilities, teamwork, and the discipline required to meet tight deadlines, key qualities in the field of engineering. We are committed to this challenge, meeting twice a week, even through holidays and spring break. Our students put in the time, effort, and passion to not only compete, but to innovate. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to showcasing our work in this competition.
My name is Alina, and I'm a lead mechanical engineer for the 2025 Naugatuck Valley Quadcopter team. I'm in charge of the assembly of the drone. If we got a new frame, it was my responsibility to build it and figure out where everything was going to go. I also occasionally assisted soldering the ESCs.
My name is John Beaumont, and I'm the lead CAD engineer for the Naugatuck Valley Quadcopter Challenge. During this competition, I was tasked with designing a collection system and a new guard design to connect to the new frame. One of the challenges I faced was making sure each part fit and held its structural integrity, while maintaining precision. This competition gave me more hands-on experience and shifted my mindset to utilizing my technical skills.
My name is Joseph Blizzard, and I'm the lead electrical engineer on MVCC's Quadcopter team. My job is to configure all of the flight controller's peripherals via wiring and programming. We have faced many challenges since we started working on the drone, but we've overcome every single one, and with each hurdle, introduces new knowledge for us to use in the future. A brief example of this is when we were first getting the drone to arm. Because of all the issues we ran into, we quickly learned the inner workings of both Mission Planner and Q Ground Control in terms of how their parameters work, how you set up the firmware's interfaces with the peripherals.
My name is Isabel Acevedo. I'm the lead mechanical engineer for Naugatuck Valley. I've been working on the CAD design, specifically the collection system. Some of my other contributions include weight reduction and increasing the stability to the drone build. One of my goals for this challenge is to create a working collection system that picks up sand, water, and gravel. This challenge has given me the opportunity to get hands-on experience and to learn a lot about the design process.